Hello, my beautiful people. How you doing today? I'm doing well, thanks. I hope all of you guys are doing well. On this video, we're going to be dealing with a very sensitive issue of disciplinary hearings. A disciplinary hearing. Here yourself as a worker, you find yourself being charged. Remember, for the company to charge you or for the employer to charge you as an employee, they must issue you a notice. But how many people know what does a proper notice look like? How many of you know what is that must be contained in that notice to make that notice a valid notice? What are the things that you need to look out for when you receive that notice? Right? So in this video, we're going to be dealing with that. Okay, let's jump